Hello and welcome to Jigsaw Shed. Now, a while ago, BaseCamp sent me one of their masks, the M Pro 3 dust mask, and this has been great in the workshop. Quite been able to use it on a few jobs as well, sort of a longer term. I think I've worn it for quite a few hours on end. Quite comfortable, and just a Velcro strap, and then the piece that goes over the head. Now, the outside is washable, and this has recently been washed with a new filter put in as well, so this is very easy to take in and out. But BaseCamp then approached me again recently and sent me one of their newer ones, which they say is supposed to become on easier, be easier to take on and off. So nice bag they've put it in, and so just in the package there, and it looks pretty much the same as the M Pro 3, apart from you've got these little ear loops. Now I will have to adjust them according to my ears, but you still got the Velcro strap for around the neck, and then just lift it up onto the nose, and then the ear loops just over. So there. And you still got the nose piece, so you can adjust there. I will have to make some adjustments to the earpieces because he's sitting a bit tight there, but yeah, it looks quite handy. So obviously the marketing thing is it's a quick on and off. Only real difference is you don't have the strap over the head, but should come in very handy, and always worth having two of these. And they've also included some more of the nose pieces, which I know I need because I do get some air still coming through despite putting the nose clip on, and these just help, so always good to have spares of these. But let's try it out with some of the work that I'm doing. Well, there you go. Gave it a good go across different projects in the workshop. You will see those videos coming out hopefully soon if I can get around to the editing. But yeah, this mask is great, similar to the other one. The only difference being is that with these little ear loops, it does get a little uncomfortable around the ears if you're going to wear it for extended periods. But I think for those I will continue to use the other mask with the wider strap. But for these short intermittent tasks, this one is great because it's a quick on, ready to go, and back off again with no straps dangling down. So definitely a great addition to the workshop, especially in these small dusty environments, which I seem to create all the time. But the bonus as well, it came with spare filters. I think there's about 6 of them, so it will keep me going for quite some time. Now, if you're interested, there is a link in the card above or in the description down below with a discount code as well for 10% off. So do check that out. But thank you for watching, and remember to look after yourself in your workshop. And I hope to see you again soon. Take care. Welcome to